Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day. And the car we're dynoing today is the 2013 Candy Red Mustang GT that we call Candy Crush for obvious reasons. This car here, it's a Gen 1 Coyote, and it's got about 158,000 miles on the original engine. I like this car a lot. I know y'all probably hear me say that with several dyno videos, but I do like this car, mainly probably because of its simplicity. So speaking of the simplicity, let's talk about the modifications and the technical information on the car. It's rocking a Ford Performance track cow tuner, aluminum drive shaft, 373 rear gear. It's got an MT82 transmission, so our supposed to be made in 5th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Stock exhaust with the exception of an SVE axle back. And then also out back, it's running the SVE rear brake caliper adapter, which allows it to run the larger 13.8-inch diameter GT500 rear rotor. And then that is a 19-inch SVE MHP1 wheel with a 285/35/19 tire. We do have 93 octane fuel in the tank. So we'll make a quick buzz around the car, make sure straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued, all that good stuff, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's go ahead and take a look at some numbers here on Candy Crush. Like I said, Gen 1 Coyote with just the Ford Performance tuner. Yes, the aluminum drive shaft's helping a little bit, but we are running the larger rear rotor, so that adds rotational weight, which is gonna take power away from us as well. And then that's a 19/10-inch wheel out back, so that's also a little bit of weight there. But anyways, we did 2 pulls just to see where the car is at, and then it almost mimicked itself on each run. So run number 1, 390.3 horsepower at 6,400 RPM and 376.7 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM. And then on that second hit, it did 390.4 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and then 378.2 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM. For those of you that have been around the channel, y'all probably remember this car. We did the dedicated video on the Ford Performance track cow tuner, showed you how to install it, showed the before and after numbers. It did make a little bit more power back in 2018 whenever we were messing with the car then with that Ford Performance track cow tuner. But I mean, it's, we're splitting hairs. I think it did 394 horsepower and then like 388 pound-feet of torque, back in 2018. But, that just goes to show you that, yes, it's the same dyno, but, the cars are still gonna make a little bit different power throughout their life. And then, of course, at the time that you do dyno the car. But nonetheless, this is a super fun car. It's not over the top. Doesn't have a crazy amount of modifications, and that's why I like the car, is because of its simplicity. So let us know what you think down below. And as always, if you find value in what we do, like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and then until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S197 Mustang. Keep it right here at the Real Enthusiast, LMR.com.